Hi all, this is Anila. Welcome to Math Pals. Today I have come with a new topic, rational and irrational numbers. Rational and irrational numbers. Before we go deep into the topic, let's have a look on different sets of numbers. Do you know which is the smallest set of numbers? Yes, it is the set of natural numbers. It's also known as the counting numbers. It is represented by n. It's also called as the set of counting numbers. And we can write it as n is equal to set of all natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, etc. If we include 0 to the set of natural numbers, we get the next set of numbers. That's known as the whole numbers, set of whole numbers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Apart from these numbers, we have negative numbers too. So if you are including negative numbers to the set of whole numbers, you get the set of integers z. Z is equal to, it starts from infinity actually. We can write it as minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, etc. It keeps going. This is set of integers. If we include fractions or decimal to the set of integers, we get the set of rational numbers, and it is represented by q. Q is the set of rational numbers. So the set of rational numbers will have a mixture of numbers like fractions, decimals, integers, all. Apart from this rational numbers, you would have seen the numbers like square root of 2, cube root of 5, etc. So all such kind of numbers from another group, that's what called as the set of irrational numbers. And it is represented by P, set of irrational numbers. So the set of rational numbers and irrational numbers together form the set of real numbers, which is the biggest set of numbers. Let's represent it by using a diagram. As we have discussed, n is a set of natural numbers. That's the smallest set. So we can just write n as the smallest set of numbers here. And if you include 0 to the set of natural numbers, we get the next set, that is the set of whole numbers. And if you take negative numbers to this group, you will get the set of integers, minus 1, etc., etc., few numbers. And along with this, if you have fractions, decimals and all such kind of numbers, we will get the set of rational numbers, and that is represented by q. So I have told you we have another set of numbers, that's a set of irrational numbers, which consist of root 2, cube root of 3, square root of 5, all such kind of numbers. That forms a different set, that is a set of irrational numbers. It's represented by P, and this has the numbers like root 2, cube root of 5, fourth root of 7, etc. Such kind of numbers will be there. And these two sets together form the set of real numbers, and that is the biggest set of numbers. This is the biggest set of numbers. It's real numbers, and real numbers are represented by R. This is the biggest set of numbers, real numbers. So we have seen the set of real numbers consists of two different sets. That is a set of irrational numbers, that's a root numbers, and the set of rational numbers. And the sets of numbers which are coming under the set of rational numbers are integers, whole numbers, and natural numbers. I hope you have got a clear idea about the different sets of numbers. Now let's have a look on the set of rational and irrational numbers. What are rational numbers? rational numbers. The numbers which can be expressed in the form P by Q. The numbers which can be expressed in the form P by Q where Q not equal to 0 and P comma Q belongs to the set of integers. For example, 5 by 12, minus 7 by 8, 3, etc. etc. These are the examples of rational numbers. Now let's check it out whether this satisfies the condition or not. 5 by 12. 12 is not equal to 0. Yes. And 5 comma 12 belongs to the set of integers. So this is an example of a rational number. If you consider the next one, 8. 8 is not equal to 0 and minus 7 as well as 8 belongs to the set of integers. 3. If you consider 3, we can write 3 as 3 by 1 and 1 not equal to 0 and 3 comma 1 belongs to the set of integers. So we can say that these are the examples of rational numbers. So what will be the numbers called which cannot be expressed? Cannot be expressed in the form P by Q, where Q not equal to 0, P comma Q belongs to Z. So such kind of numbers are called set of irrational numbers. Consider the numbers square root of 2, cube root of 5 and square root of 7. How can we express the square root of 2? That can be written as square root of 2 by 1. Fine, we have expressed in the form P by Q. But consider the numbers square root of 2 and 1. Whether this belongs to the set of integers? No, this doesn't belong to the set of integer. Square root of 2 does not belong to the set of integers. So, this is not satisfying the condition of rational numbers. Therefore, this is an example of an irrational number. Consider the next term the same way, cube root of 5 or square root of 7, the same thing. These numbers does not belong to the group of integers. So, we can say that these are also the examples of irrational numbers. That's all for now. Let's study more about rational and irrational numbers in the next class. Thank you.